In this demo, I'll show you how to set up Brave rewards. First, you need to fund your Brave wallet with some Solana. I'm on my centralized exchange Coinbase, and I'm going to send Solana from Coinbase to my Brave wallet. I'm on the Brave browser, so I'm going to click the Brave wallet icon in the top right. I'm going to sign in. I open up my wallet to see my portfolio, and I need to send Solana to my Solana address. So I'm going to click on Accounts. Then I'm going to look for my Solana account. Then I'm going to click on the two squares next to the address. That'll copy my Solana address. I'm going to paste that somewhere like Apple Notes so I can easily get it later. Then on my centralized exchange, I'm going to select crypto. I see I have some Solana. If you didn't have Solana, you could buy some Solana and you'd link your bank account or use a debit card. Next, I'm going to select send. I'm going to paste my Solana address in here. If I open my Brave wallet, I can check and verify this is the address. A better way to verify is to paste it on Apple Notes, see the entire address, and make sure you're good to go. You need very little Solana to pay for gas fees to set up Brave rewards. So I'm going to send $2 in Solana. Then I'm going to select preview. I'm going to send $2 in Solana to my Solana address over Solana. There's about a 1 cent network fee, so I'm going to pay $2.01. Then I'm going to select Send Now. Done. Then I'm going to open my Brave wallet and I will see my Solana show up. You're going to want to give it a minute or two. Now it's time to set up my Brave rewards. I'm going to click on the bat symbol. That is the triangle. Then I'm going to select Start Using Brave Rewards, my region, United States. I'm going to select Continue. And now I'm all set. There's an updated terms of service. I'm going to select I agree. Ready to start earning? I need to select Connect Account. I am going to do self-custody, so I'm going to select Brave Wallet. Then I'm going to select the Connect button next to Brave Wallet. I am going to connect with Solana. Then I'm going to select the Next button. I'm going to review what the app will be able to do. Then I'm going to select Connect. You will connect the following Solana address to Brave Rewards. That looks correct. Accounts, Solana. Yep. I have read this privacy notice and agree to the terms. Then I'm going to confirm my Solana address. I'm going to sign, and now it's confirming my connection. My Solana address is now connected. Now your monthly BAT rewards will be deposited into your Solana address, so I'm good to go. Now I can explore Brave Rewards. That is how you connect your Brave wallet to Brave Rewards to start earning.